Good morning, good morning, good morning, citizen of the world. Have a wonderful day. We are here in the Clark in CDC, participating in Clark One Big Run, organized by Smoke 10 Management. I'm gonna participating in 21 kilometer, and every vacation I do participating in multi-sports event. I hope, citizen of the world, you like my content for today. Follow, subscribe, watch, share, and follow to help me to establish something. I have a YouTube channel. I have social media account that I want to build something. I want to create business to support any kind of sports event. I want to touch every single person around the world. That's why I see through running, capturing the greatest moment of my life while running, and this course is up to become a Ironman soon and participating in any different part of the world. Oh, mga kabayan, I hope support nyo naman yung YouTube channel ko. Nandito tayo sa Clark. We are participating in One Big Run, organized by Smoke 10 Management. Sana kabayan, support nyo po yung YouTube channel ko para mas may improve kung ano man mga kulangan o dapat ko pang improve para mas gumanda yung mga upload kong video. Please support po natin para gumanda pa po at matupad ko, magawa ko yung YouTube channel ko kasi is kind of permanent to give, citizen of the world. At kabayan, at marami akong gustong gawin. Sana matouch ko every single person sa buong mundo para maging katulad ko si Mr. Beast, na maraming nagagawa due to malaki ang kanyang followers. I hope maging katulad niya ako at makagawa ako ng any kind of charitable works. And citizen of the world, have a wonderful day. I hope you like, and please support my YouTube channel and subscribe, watch, and follow, and share it, and please support for my beloved country, Philippines, and have a wonderful day. Hello, hello, citizen of the world. Here we go. I'm almost there. I almost nearing the finish line. I hope you like my content for today, and please support for my beloved country, and thank you very much, and I hope a wonderful day. U-turn. This means naka 10 kilometers na kami. Kaya pabalik na kami. Okay, last 10 kilometers. Woo! Ito, palatandaan na. Narating na kami yung turn na. 15 kilometer, almost 15 kilometer. 6 more to go to complete the 21 kilometers. I hope I break my personal record to see that we have improvement to this run. Since my April 3 start my vacation, this is my third run in 21. That's why I need progress. I need to break my personal record.